Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make this chandelier necklace. For this project you'll need some beads, some wire and some pliers. To start, I'd like to make some jump rings because in between each one of these we're going to put a jump ring. So I'm going to start with a piece of wire and these round nose pliers, and I'm just going to turn them round the pliers, turn the wire around the pliers until it makes like a spring, like that. I'm going to keep going a bit, just make a few more, like that, and then I'm going to get cutters and just cut it closely, and there we go, a jump ring. To make these ones with the beads, I've got small ones and I've got big ones, but I'll do a big one on right now to show you. So I've got a bead like this and a white one and another bead, and it'll look a bit like that. And then I'm going to make a loop on this side with my round nose pliers, just twist it round, and then it'll look like that. And then you just want to get some normal pliers and just twist it up so it looks straight, and then you can close it. It'll look like that. And then you just push this down and hold the bottom loop and turn it a little bit like this. Get your round nose pliers again and just twist around. You can adjust the pliers so they're at the top and just pull that close. There's the next loop. Get some cutters and just cut off that excess bit. There we go. And you get normal pliers and just straighten it up and close the loop. There we go. I'm gonna make a bunch of these and a bunch of these, and I'm gonna make quite a few more jump rings. To make the clasp, you just get a piece of wire and you have like a small piece on this side, and you just want to turn it back on itself so it looks like that. And you want to get these really close together. Here we go, it looks like that. And then on this side you want to turn this outward like that so it makes an L shape, and then get your round nose pliers. I like to make quite a big loop on these and just turn that wire round. There we go. It'll look like that with the loop and then this piece here. And then you want to get some normal pliers just to hold the loop and twist this round the base. I like to go around twice just so it looks pretty, and I want to squeeze this shut a little bit. There we go. Now to cut off this long piece here. This piece is quite sharp, so I like to try and tuck it in as best as possible. Adjust, and then it'll look like that. To make it a hook, you just go halfway down this piece, say about there, and bend it back. And there's your clasp. First, I assembled the necklace. I put the bead, jump ring, bead, jump ring, bead, and I just continued that all the way around, and I attached the clasp, and I used a few jump rings to make a chain. Now, to start this bottom part where the loops go, I've made these strings. It's just the same as that, but in little segments, and this piece is gonna 1 2 3 is gonna attach to this jump ring, and this one's gonna attach to that jump ring, and it's gonna be the same on this side, and this will attach to those two, so it'll make like loops coming down. Okay, I've assembled those little loops, and I'll show you what it looks like on someone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more projects.